It's Diane from Brolly Sheets, and I wanted to tell you a little bit about our pocket/hybrid nappies, our Snazzi Pants. So we've got the velcro across the front, which means that you can get a really good fit to your child. So multiple sizes there, and the snaps along the front, which means also you can make it smaller or larger. So whether you get our pockets or our all-in-ones, they're totally adjustable for different sizing. With our pocket nappies, they've got two thirsty pads inside, bamboo cotton, two of them. You can use them both or just one. Now, the beauty of these is they clip to the top. You can thread them into the pocket if you want, or it's quite easy just to leave them sitting on top, tuck them under that flap. Makes it really easy to change. So that's our thirsty pads. Now we've got fold back laundry tabs. So when you're doing laundry, if you've washed with Velcro before, these teeth catch on everything. So with our nappies, just take them out. To show you, we've got the fold back laundry tabs. So when they go in the wash, you fold those back and they're not going to catch on the rest of your clothes. We've got the double gussets here for runny poos, and that's breathable waterproof PUL shell, which is really soft and quiet. So that's our Snazzi Pants Pocket or Hybrid cloth nappies. We hope you love them as much as we do.